Hello, my name is Dr. Dominique Diggs. I am a pediatric emergency medicine physician who specializes in EMS. And I'm Dr. Jasmine Gann, an emergency medicine physician who specializes in medical simulation. We are directed from the MERITS course, which stands for Mastering Emergency Response Interventions for Traumatic Brain Injury and Sudden Cardiac Arrest. This course is specifically designed for pre-hospital providers. This is a hands-on, interactive course that will give you the skills to focus on high-performance CPR and to optimize neuroprotective care for patients with TBI. We will put you in real-life, stressful situations where quick decisions are necessary to save the life of your patient. You will be immersed in a realistic environment with high-fidelity mannequins that will allow you to feel the weight of your decisions and to learn from them. We want to challenge you to push yourself out of your comfort zone and allow yourself to make mistakes in a safe environment. You will learn from them and move forward with the knowledge that when an emergency arises, you're ready to save a life. We are very excited about this course and can't wait to see you there.